Well, Pokey Boys actually had to go to work and do real life things, and this is what we showed up to today. I've been trimming this tree. Homeowner wanted it away from the house, and I'm almost done with it. Got it, you know, bingo bango, like a boss. And then literally this morning, the tree that they haven't had me touch is the one that fell and crushed everything. No way. See, here's all the wood I've been cutting. Woo! That thing split right into. Whew. Oh, hope y'all are having a good day. This is what the Pokey Boys deal with when they ain't ripping packs. Real life situations. We have officially got it off the house. Minimal damage for the size of the tree that fell, for real. That's crazy. The Lord was watching over this casa. Taking trees down everywhere, folks. That one's massive though. Big old big one.
Before we do this, gotta fix that